Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Smooth Love Portion, currently trading around $0.0025. We're deep in the crypto bear market. Smooth Love Portion is down 21.5% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 year, Smooth Love Portion is down 87.5%. All coins are down bad really. In the last 1 year, Smooth Love Portion has been dumping to Goblin Town since when the bull market ended for Smooth Love Portion in July of 2021. We have seen it go from as high as $0.37, dumping to as low as the $0.0019 level, losing more than 99.47% of its value. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Smooth Love Portion US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. Is the bottom in for Smooth Love Portion? Are we heading back to test the lows, probably going back to Goblin Town? If we're pumping to higher prices, how high can we go? We'll also be looking at Smooth Love Portion's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll take a peek at Smooth Love Portion's market cap, which conveniently sits above $100 million. If we start rallying to higher prices, can we even break into new all-time highs, blasting above the $317 million level? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, or chart analysis, if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All coins are down bad in the bear market. That's to be expected. We saw them having huge pumps in the bull market. Smooth Love Portion is down on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, and also on a yearly time frame. But deep in Goblin Town is where you want to be accumulating as you're getting ready for the next crypto bull run. We have seen Smooth Love Portion drop to as low as the $0.0019 level in this bear market. That's lost more than 99% of its value. But guys, that is where you get good value for money. Right now, we're closer to the bottom than we are to the top. We saw Smooth Love Portion starting the year on a very bright note, rallying up by more than 85%. But we hit important bear market resistance at that level. Smooth Love Portion got rejected at the $0.0038 region. We have seen Smooth Love Portion perambulating around that region since May of 2022. So right now, I believe we're in the bottoming range for Smooth Love Portion. Bear market accumulation is still ongoing. Smart investors have been accumulating heavily since May of 2022. Our accumulation rate for Smooth Love Portion has been from the $0.0062 level to as low as the $0.0019 level. We might see Smooth Love Portion go back to the lows at some point in time in this bear market. From where we're currently trading, if Smooth Love Portion is going back to the low, it will have to dump another 20 to 30%. We have seen Smooth Love Portion since the middle of February dump by more than 37%. If we start pumping to higher prices, the line in the sand that will confirm accumulation is done for Smooth Love Portion will be that $0.0063 level, and we'll have to rally up by more than 153% if we were to get that high. If Smooth Love Portion continues pumping to higher prices in this bear market, another level where we might face difficulties as we continue our ride to the upside might be around the $0.0092 level. We saw Smooth Love Portion having some bounce off that level. Even as early as January of 2022, we saw Smooth Love Portion have a huge bounce off that level. We saw Smooth Love Portion rallying up by more than 300% in just around 9 days. So all coins can be volatile, even Smooth Love Portion. We can see it rally up to the high side in a very short amount of time. For Smooth Love Portion to rally to that $0.0093 level, Smooth Love Portion will have to rally up by 263%. And best case scenario in this bear market, if we see a huge pump to the upside, if we see all coins enjoying that huge money flowing from Bitcoin, we might see Smooth Love Portion get to the $0.028 level for the first time since April of 2022. But that might not happen in this bear market. Let's put our expectations for the $0.0095 level. Guys, bear market rallies are designed to trick you. A lot of people will start FOMOing at the top, But if you're accumulating with long-term investors deep in the crypto bear market, guys, deep in the bear market is where you get good value for your money. Deep in the bear market is where you get your first 10x, 20x, even your first 100x pump to the upside. We have over $2,500 worth of Smooth Love portion in our portfolio. Smooth Love portion's market cap is around $109 million, and Smooth Love portion has a circulating supply of 42 billion tokens. Smooth Love portion in the last 1 month has gone from as low as $0.0023 to as high as $0.0033. The all-time high for Smooth Love portion came in on the 1st of May 2021 when it was trading around the $0.41 level, and Smooth Love portion is down 99.38% from its all-time high. And its all-time low was 3 months ago when we started the year on a very bright note. So right now, we're closer to the all-time low than we are to the all-time high. For Smooth Love portion to go back to the previous all-time high, guys, this altcoin will have to rally up by more than 14,000%. $1,000 investors in Smooth Love portion right now should return over $147,000 if we see it getting to the all-time high at some point in time in the future. But remember, guys, you don't want to go all in when accumulating all coins. Remember, all coins can easily dump to Goblin Town. So you want to dollar cost average through the process so that in case we see all those life-changing opportunities when Smooth Love portion head back to the lows, you will be able to take advantage of those opportunities. And that reason why we might see Smooth Love portion pumping to higher prices in the coming days and the coming weeks is that the altcoin season index is telling us right now is Bitcoin's month. And anytime it's Bitcoin month, guys, has been a very good time to buy altcoins. The last time it was clearly a Bitcoin month like this was in November of 2020, and we saw altcoins rallying to higher prices in the few weeks that came after that. So will that happen again, or will this time be different? Are we going to see altcoins like Smooth Love portion rallying to higher prices in the coming days and in the coming weeks? If you take a look at Smooth Love portion's performance against Bitcoin, we're down in Goblin Town, about to set new all-time lows. And guys, that is when you want to be getting into altcoins. It doesn't mean the bottom is in. We can still continue going lower, but Smooth Love portion has been dumping against Bitcoin since February of 2022. We have seen huge dumps for Smooth Love portion against Bitcoin, losing more than 89% of its value. We can't keep dumping forever. When we get to the bottom, we'll have a huge pump to the upside. We might just see Smooth Love portion in the coming days and the coming weeks continue pumping against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you want to buy some Smooth Love portion in the bear market, getting ready for the next crypto bull run, if you believe all coins are going to be pumping, as the altcoin season index have told us, you can buy some Smooth Love portion on Binance, on KuCoin, on Bitstamp, on Gemini, on SushiSwap, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you take a look at Smooth Love portion's performance against Ethereum, we've also dropped to new all-time lows, just like its performance against Bitcoin. But again, that's the best time to buy when we're down bad in Goblin Town. All coins are known to be volatile to the downside, guys, but when all coins start pumping to the upside, those pumps are very quick, those pumps are very aggressive. The last time we saw Smooth Love portion rallying against Ethereum, it was a 264% pump, and it all just happened in a 4-day period of time. And guess what? We went deep in Goblin Town then, and that's why I believe we might see Smooth Love portion performing against Bitcoin and Ethereum to the upside in the coming days and the coming weeks. And Smooth Love portion's market cap, they have been seeing some huge moves to the upside because we had more Smooth Love portions tokens coming into circulation, but the all-time high for Smooth Love portions market cap is around $300 million. If we're going to go back to that previous all-time high, Smooth Love portions market cap will have to rally up by 184%. Anything after that, we're already in a new all-time high. What will the 187% pump to the upside do for Smooth Love portion right now? That will carry the price of Smooth Love portion around the $0.0074 region. So how high do you think Smooth Love portion will go if we see a huge pump to the upside for all coins? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Guys, our quote of the day: in as much as you can, save as much as you can, invest as much as you can, and give as much as you can. That was said by John Wesley. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember, guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.